What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are looking at the KEFEYA P5. We've had KEFEYA products on our channel before, but this one is a bit different. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed. That's a pretty bad number, so if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So, onto the product itself. We are looking at the KEFEYA P5. This is a 16 by 9 aspect ratio screen, standard full HD, 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz refresh rate. But the interesting thing about this is the multi-use of it. So most displays that come in this style, essentially, they snap onto the laptop and then it just kind of opens and closes and it's always on the laptop. The cool thing about this one is you can use it like that. You can set it up on the laptop itself and it'll stand up with a little kickstand so it doesn't like fall or anything. But you can also use it as a standard landscape display or portrait display separate from your computer. So this makes it really interesting because that means you can plug in a Steam Deck, a Switch, computer, whatever you want to on these on this display, and you can actually set it up to stand on its own, which is really cool. It doesn't have to always be connected to your laptop. You can actually use it on a desk system, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm excited to open this up and check it out. All right, so opening the box itself, well protected, that's good. So we're going to take off this top layer of foam here, so that keeps it pretty nice and safe. We have the P5 user guide here, and we have some quick tips here. Now, from experience, I will tell you some of these are very important. For example, the HDMI to Type-C connector needs to be plugged into the third port. Things like that are very important because not all of the USB-C ports are the same. One is for power, one is for USB-C with HDMI, one is for USB-C with video and power. They are different specs, so make sure you read this and figure out what type of connection you're using and then use the appropriate one. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Ooh, look at this. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at that. You could see the circuit board behind it and everything. I've never seen that on a screen before. I really like that. I thought that was a sticker, but that's actually a little viewport where you can see inside. Wow, I love that. I think more tech should have see-through plastic so you can see the beautiful technology behind it. So that's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna put this away for a second and take a look at what else is in the box. So we have a USB-C HDMI cable. So this goes from the monitor to your HDMI device. So it's essentially sending video from the HDMI device, like your Switch or PS5 or computer, to this USB-C port. This doesn't send power, so you will need to power the device if you use this cable. The next one is a USB-C to USB-C video cable. If your device supports USB-C over video, it also supports power over video, and it will power this. It'll power the screen as well as show the screen all with one cable. This is a single direction cable. So pay attention when it says please connect this side of the product because that is important. If you plug it the wrong way, it will not work. We have a standard USB-C to USB-A cable, so you can plug it into power if you need to. And then we have this really nice, is this MagSafe? This is a stand, so a kickstand, and it has a really nice carbon fiber texture on it. But I think this is a MagSafe kickstand. Let me actually test that out. Let's open up the product. No, I see. So the kickstand actually goes into this slot here, and then it works as a kickstand like that, and then you can turn it. Whoa. Okay. So that KEFEYA is stepping their game up. This is actually a really nice update to the product, or at least the previous product offerings, where it was a smaller kickstand that you kind of twist out. This one actually seems like it's very sturdy, and I really like that tactile feel when you turn it. But that way you can have it on its side or standing up as well. That is super cool. And then underneath we have our ports here. So we have a speaker or a headphone. This is a 3.5 millimeter port here for audio. And then we have the 3 USB-Cs as well as a control here to turn it on or off. This also works as a controller, so you can go up or down in the menus when you're actually using the screen. And again, this is a 15.6 inch HD 60 Hz display. let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. All right, so we do have another layer of protection here, and here we can see the screen and how it kind of stands up and everything. When you're putting it onto a laptop, you can actually extend it so that it can support larger laptops, or close it up so it supports smaller ones. And then on the left side, you have a flap that opens up, and this pulls out and it just holds on to the laptop here. So I'll put this on a laptop in the B-roll footage so you can see what it actually looks like when it's on one. But yeah, this is actually a new mechanism that I haven't seen used before. It is really nice being able to expand it out like that. Then of course we have a nice KEFEYA logo right here on the bottom. It's a very thin bezel everywhere else, and we can go ahead and pull this plastic off here. That'll let us see the screen itself. Very, very nice. I actually recommend keeping this little foam padding here so that you can protect your screen whenever you close this, and that way it stays nice and protected. Now, you saw that this can be used separately, so how does that work? All you want to do is grab both sides and pull up, and you'll see that the screen actually detaches from the casing. And if you want to put it back on, all you do is you push that back in. So very, very nice functionality, being able to remove that casing, and then you can use the screen on its own with its little kickstand and everything. And instead of the wires coming out of the side like it did before, now they come out of the bottom, so they're actually a lot more inconspicuous and not just like kind of sticking out on the side and everything. So this is actually really, really cool. This is a huge upgrade from a lot of the designs I've seen online and have tried out myself. Not only is it much more functional and sturdy, it's also pretty dang stylish. Look at that. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to KEFEYA for sending this over. This is the KEFEYA P5. I'm going to put a link to this in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. As always, thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.
Administrative elevator command. Build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech.